Amy Slayton has been the heart and humor of TLC's hit reality show, 1000 LB Sisters, since it first aired. Her raw honesty, quirky humor, and deep sisterly bond with Tammy made her a fan favorite almost overnight. But now, fans are reeling after a cryptic social media post and a series of off-camera rumors suggest that Amy may be walking away from the show that changed her life forever. With whispers of a new path, and signs that all might not be well behind the scenes, the question looms large: is Amy Slayton done with 1000 LB Sisters, and could this bombshell decision bring serious trouble for her future? Amy's journey has never been easy. From her early struggles with obesity to the heartbreak of losing loved ones, her resilience has inspired viewers around the world. We've watched her navigate high-risk pregnancies, tense family dynamics, and the pressure of stardom. But even reality TV has its limits, and sources close to Amy say she's been emotionally drained and creatively frustrated for some time. In a now-deleted Instagram story, Amy wrote, "Sometimes you gotta make moves, even when the world says no." Fans immediately began speculating that this was a hint at her departure from the TLC series. Could it be true? Inside sources connected to the production have confirmed that Amy has had several tense conversations with producers over the last few months. While her contract binds her for another season, there are whispers she's been pushing back against filming requirements. One insider revealed, Amy is tired of being portrayed one way on TV. She wants to tell her own story, in her own words. That may explain her sudden interest in launching a personal YouTube docuseries and podcast, projects that insiders say TLC hasn't approved of. The tension is reportedly escalating behind the scenes, leading some to fear that Amy may be heading toward a legal standoff with the network. What's fueling this sudden shift? Some fans point to Amy's new relationship and the fresh wave of independence she's embracing after her split from Michael Altman. Since the separation, Amy has been focusing more on herself, her children, and her personal goals. Close friends say she's been exploring creative projects outside of the 1000 LB Sisters universe, including a possible children's book, a wellness brand for moms, and even a lifestyle blog. She's realized her brand is bigger than the show, said a longtime friend. And she's tired of being boxed in. But walking away from the show won't be simple. Amy has built a following of millions thanks to TLC, and her storyline, especially her relationship with Tammy, remains one of the show's biggest hooks. The producers are panicking, one source close to the set confessed. They're rewriting entire story arcs to prepare for a potential exit. If Amy goes, the show could lose its soul. Amy's absence would also leave a massive void in Tammy's story, as the sisters' dynamic has been the emotional backbone of the series since day one. Tammy herself hasn't commented directly, but a cryptic TikTok post raised eyebrows. In it, she lip-synced to a line that said, "Some people will always choose themselves, even if it breaks your heart." Fans flooded the comments section, speculating whether Tammy was calling out her sister. Is this the beginning of a feud, or just a moment of reflection? Those close to Tammy say she's been deeply affected by Amy's recent decisions and feels blindsided by the possibility of her sister leaving the show. Adding fuel to the fire, Amy was recently spotted having a heated conversation outside a coffee shop in Dixon with what looked like a talent agent. Eyewitnesses reported seeing Amy looking frustrated and tearful, while the agent appeared to be urging her to make a decision. Later that evening, she posted a series of song lyrics to Instagram, including the line, "Don't clip my wings before I fly." For fans who followed Amy's journey since the beginning, this feels like a pivotal moment, one that could change everything. Still, not everyone supports Amy's rumored decision. Critics have pointed out that she is still under contract and that the show is the primary source of income for both her and her family. It's risky, said one reality TV analyst. Leaving a successful show like this can be a career-ending move if she doesn't have a solid plan. Others worry that Amy may be reacting emotionally, rather than strategically. The pressure of co-parenting, financial stress, and the constant scrutiny of fame could all be pushing her toward a decisive on she might later regret. Despite all the tension, there's no denying that Amy's brand has potential beyond TLC. She's gained over 1 million followers on TikTok, where her candid parenting content and daily life vlogs continue to draw huge engagement. She's also recently partnered with a wellness brand to promote body positivity and self-care for plus-size moms. Her unfiltered, down-to-earth presence is exactly what audiences are craving right now, and that could be the key to her future success. The question remains, is Amy making a bold move to take control of her narrative, or is she walking into trouble she can't yet see? For now, neither TLC nor Amy's representatives have confirmed her departure, but the writing may already be on the wall. As filming for the next season approaches, fans are watching closely to see whether Amy shows up on set or walks away for good. Meanwhile, fan reactions are pouring in across social media. Some are supportive, cheering her on with messages like, "Go chase your dreams, Amy," and "You don't need TLC to shine." Others are heartbroken, fearing the end of an era. "It won't be the same without you," one fan commented. "You are the show." The emotional divide is stark, with many torn between supporting Amy's personal growth and fearing the loss of the sisterhood dynamic that made the show so powerful in the first place. As Amy Slayton stands at a crossroads, the stakes have never been higher. She's not just a reality star, she's a mother, a creator, and a woman finding her voice after years of struggle. The road ahead may be uncertain, and her decision could spark major fallout, but one thing is clear, Amy is ready to take charge of her life, no matter the cost. Whether that means leaving 1000 LB Sisters behind or rewriting the rules entirely, this bombshell has already shaken the fandom, and THE aftershocks are just beginning. The world will be watching. Will Amy Slayton take the leap, or will she stay loyal to the show that made her a household name? Only time will tell, but if this is truly the end of Amy's time on 1000 LB Sisters, she's making sure she leaves on her own terms, unappalled, energetic, unstoppable, and more determined than ever to create the life she deserves. Thanks for watching this video, and please subscribe our Beyond 1000 LB's YouTube channel for more update news.